Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest reviews of the best home improvement solutions. Today, we're diving into the ConSANDtrate Concrete Crack Filler in Tan, a product that promises to be the ultimate fix for those unsightly cracks on your concrete surfaces. Whether you're dealing with cracks in your driveway, walkway, or patio, this concrete crack filler is designed to seamlessly fill and repair, restoring your concrete surfaces to their former glory. If you're looking for the best sand fixer crack repair on the market, you found it. Now, let's talk about the product itself. The ConSANDtrate Concrete Crack Filler comes in a 3-pound bottle, offering an easy-to-use liquid formula. The tan color is ideal for blending in with a variety of concrete finishes, ensuring that your repair work looks natural and professional. This filler is perfect for those of you who want a quick, efficient, and lasting solution for filling cracks and preventing further damage. It works great on any concrete surface, from driveways to walkways, patios, and even garage floors. The 3-pound size ensures you have enough filler for multiple cracks, making it a smart investment for larger projects or ongoing maintenance. What really sets the ConSANDtrate filler apart is its easy application process. You don't need any special skills or tools to get the job done. Simply pour the liquid filler into the crack, smooth it over with a putty knife or trowel, and let it dry. In just a few hours, you'll notice that your concrete looks as good as new, with the cracks filled and the surface smooth again. Plus, it's designed to hold up to the elements, so you won't have to worry about it wearing down quickly. This concrete crack filler is also incredibly versatile. It works in both residential and commercial settings, making it a great choice for homeowners and businesses alike. And if you're concerned about durability, rest assured that the ConSANDtrate filler is made with high-quality materials to provide long-lasting results, ensuring that the cracks you fill today won't reopen anytime soon. It's a product that truly delivers on its promises, offering both convenience and performance in one neat package. In terms of value, ConSANDtrate offers a cost-effective solution to concrete crack repair. At around $32.99 for a 3-pound bottle, you're getting an affordable way to address cracks without having to call in expensive professionals. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone looking to maintain the look and safety of your outdoor concrete surfaces, this filler is a great addition to your toolkit. To sum it up, if you're looking for an effective, easy-to-use, and durable concrete crack filler, the ConSANDtrate Concrete Crack Filler in Tan is the best sand fixer crack repair you can find. It's perfect for anyone looking to restore their concrete surfaces with minimal hassle. Don't let cracks ruin your driveway, patio, or walkway. This filler will make the repair process a breeze and give you lasting results. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the best products out there.